Hello and welcome to this guide on how to find your database ID in Notion. If you're working on integrating or automating parts of your Notion workspace, knowing how to locate a database ID is essential. Fortunately, with these steps, it's a straightforward process that we'll walk through together. This will take just about 5 minutes of your time. So let's get started. First, you'll need to access your Notion account. Head over to the Notion homepage. You'll see the option to log in, so go ahead and click on that. Logging into Notion is easy and secure with various methods available, but for simplicity, let's use the Continue with Google option. It speeds up the process and keeps your account secure. After clicking on it, choose the Google account you want to use for Notion. This should be the account you've previously linked with your Notion workspace, or the one you plan to use. Once you're logged in, your connected workspaces will be displayed. Click on the specific workspace you need the database ID for. Workspaces in Notion are where all your pages and databases reside, so make sure you select the correct one if you have multiple. After entering your workspace, find the database from which you need the ID. In Notion, databases are used to store and organize all sorts of information. They can be recognized by their tables or board layouts among your pages. Now, to the technical bit, which is actually quite simple. Every database in Notion has a unique identifier known as the database ID. To find it, locate the three dots menu on the top right corner of your database. This is where you'll see options to manipulate your database. Click on it and then select View Database. This action will take you to a direct link of your database. At this point, take a look at the URL in your browser's address bar. You're looking for a long, random string of characters right before point V. This string is your database ID. It's a unique identifier that Notion uses to reference database across its platform. Go ahead and copy this string. Be careful to select only the part before the V, as that's all you need for your database ID, and there you have it. You've successfully located and copied your Notion database ID. With this ID, you can now integrate your Notion database with third-party applications, build custom workflows, or even automate tasks to boost your productivity. Remember, handling database IDs and integrating different applications requires careful attention to detail. Always double check you're working with the correct database and ID to prevent any unintended data manipulation. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Whether you're setting up integrations or just organizing your workflow in Notion, knowing how to find your database ID is a valuable skill. Keep exploring and you'll discover even more ways to make Notion work wonderfully for your projects. Happy Notioning!